Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got the Revlon X Wonder Woman 84. And it looks like that. And here's the names of the shades. And here, I have been wanting this palette and my brother got it for me for my birthday. That's what she looks like. I think it's gorgeous. And I love Wonder Woman, I love DC, and yeah, I'm a big fan. And there's compassion, self-control, and unbeatable. We have wisdom, truth, legendary, perseverance, something like that. Courage, brave, and self-belief. I don't know if it's in the right order. I'm just reading what they are, and it's so gorgeous. So it has 10 shades. 2 of these big ones are highlight, so it's a face and eye palette. Okay, so I started in with this pink that I am using in this palette. And I'm going to go in with this rustic color. Going in with in the inner portion of the eye. I'm going for there. Let's see what I create. Okay, I'm going in with this teal color. Lining that in here in the crease. It's pretty. I'm gonna go in with this blue color now. Oops, wrong brush. Okay. It's going in that outer portion with the blue. This palette's like mostly shimmer. It's very pretty. I was surprised my brother got this for me because he's like, you got way too much palettes. They all look the same now. I'm like, but no. Still want to have a no-buy next year. This year should have been a no-buy, but you know, things happen. And yeah, I want palettes. Everybody wants eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna go in with the purple now. Gonna go in with like the outer portion where the blue is. Just blending that right in. I'm gonna go in with that pink. With the rest of the eye. I'm gonna go in with this brown color. Just underneath the eyelashes. Next, I want to go in with this gold color in the inner portion of the eye. And here's the finished look. Palette again. I really do enjoy this look. I like colorful looks, and then neutrals on the bottom. It's pretty nice. Maybe I should mix it up and do the neutrals on top and color on bottom next time. And I think this is a pretty look. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.